Hey guys, so I've had these Gall cutters now for a couple of months. So I just wanted to give you a quick review and update and let you know what I think about them. First, you'll see that they do come with 3 blades, but I actually haven't had to use the other blades yet. So this is still the original one that I had on it. They're actually made for typically cutting like sheet metal and things, like maybe if you do like HVAC work or something like that. That's not why I got it. I actually got it because I would make LED signs and I wanted something that had that made it easy for me to gauge and measure my angles, and that was sharp enough to cut through very cleanly my LED strip. So I got these because I can easily set my angles and it cut through and I get a nice sharp point to finish if I need to cut an angle. And these can be hard to cut through if I happen to hit like one of the actual LED lights or chips in there. Sometimes they don't cut very well if I use some like the X-Acto knives and things. So I got these for that purpose and it's done really well. You know, it has the 45 degree, 60 degree, 75, 90, 105, 120, and 135 degree angles that you can set on it for either direction. And it just made it easy for me to check my measurements and my angles and then cut them precisely. So I really loved it for that. I've made hundreds of cuts on the same blade and it's just still super sharp. Whatever you're looking to use it for, I think it is a good product. I mean, it does feel heavy duty, it's sturdy. It does have a nice rubber coated grip handle on it. It has this locking mechanism. But yeah, definitely I think if this is something that you're looking for this particular type of product, I think this is a good brand and I've had really good luck with it.